Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I can show you how to make my 9th Lego puzzle box. And if you don't know how to solve it, you could check out my channel. And then I review this my 9th Lego puzzle box. And today I can just show you how to make it. Okay. So start off, you take a 6x6 base plate, and then put smooth piece here and here. So you could pause the video and do that. And then you wanna take this 1x1 brick. Then take 2 of this 1x1 plate there and stack it on top of each other like that, and put it here. Then make 2 more. 1, 2. So you have 3 of them. That means you need to make 2 more. So now take one of them, put it here, there, and then one of them put it here, then one of them put it here. And then take this, let's see, 1 with 2 bricks with 2 holes there, and take 2 of this 1x2 plate like that, stack it on top of each other there, then put it here. And take this piece, put it here. Then take a 2x2 base bricks, and then take 2 of this 2x2 plate, stack it on top of each other, and like that. Put it here, and put it in the middle. There we go. Now you wanna put this piece, so I'm going to show you build it. So take 1x6 plate, and take 2 of this 1x1 plate, put it here, 2 of them, and then take 2 of this 1x4 plates, then 1x2 smooth piece here. There. Then take this. Okay. So take a 1x4 plate, and another 1x4 plate, and a 1x3 plates, and 2 of this 1x1 plate. Then take this 1x2 plate, I think 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate. A 1x1 smooth piece, and 2 of this 1x1 plate. Then put it here. Then take a take a 1x4 smooth piece, put it here. There. Then put it here. And take this piece, put it here. A 1x4 smooth piece there. So you got this piece. Now you would wanna put it here. Then put that piece there, so it could slide like this. Okay, so that, and this piece right here, and take a 1x6 plate and a 1x3 plate, and a 1x2 smooth piece here, and a 1x2 plate there. And now You wanna take a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate on the bottom, and take a 1x1 plate, and then take a 1x1 smooth piece. And put it there, and then put it here. And there. And then take a 1x4 smooth piece, put it here. And there. Then put it here. There. So you would slide this piece and slide this piece down. Okay, when you didn't slide this piece, yes, this piece right here cannot slide. So like that. And yeah. And then this piece there. So you now take a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 another 1x1 plate and a 1x1 smooth piece. And here, then take a 1x4 smooth piece right here. Then put it here. So you wanna slide this piece down, slide this piece this way. Then you want to put a key, take a key, looks like this. It is 3 stud long. There's 3 stud long, 1 to 3. And you want to put it into the hole right here. You want to put this piece in first. There, and now you would put it into the hole. See? Now it's in here. And put this key back in, this key either. And now take a 6x6 plate. Then in the under you wanna put a 1x6 plate and a 1x4 plate here. There. Go. Now put it here. Make sure this 1x6 plate and a 1x4 plate, a 1x6 plate needs to be on this key, and a 1x4 plate needs to be on this key. And then put it here at the top. So yeah. There. So yeah. And put a 1x6 brick here. And 1x4 smooth piece here. 1x2 and 2x4 smooth piece here. Then you wanna take a 1x4, a 2x2 smooth piece here. There. Then put a 1x3 smooth piece here. Bricks here. A 1x2 bricks with a 1 hole here. Then put this. Take a 2x2 plate and a 2x2 smooth piece. Put it on top of each other. Put this key in here. Now take a 1x3 bricks, put it here, and then take a 1x6 bricks. a 6x6. 1x6 brick. Put it here. Then now for your price, you just want to take a 3x4, and then take this 2x4. 2x4 split piece here. Then take a couch piece. It is a 1x4 couch piece, and put it here. Now you would wanna put your price in here. There. Then slide it into here. It's there. There. And then I think take this 2x6 bricks, put it here, and this piece 1x6 bricks, put it here, and two of this 1x3 bricks, put it here, and there. Now the roof, you take a 1x6 plate, put smooth piece on top. I designed it like a roof like this. So if you want to design it, put this piece on the side, put a 2x2 plate in the middle, and then take like this piece here, one here, and one here. Now at the bottom, just take a 2x4 plate, put it here. Now make sure the 2x4 plate line it here on the couch piece. So put it here. Oops, my price just came off. That's okay. Yeah, so you could wanna put your price back in. There, so yeah, so that that is how you make my 9th Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye bye.